That's how it's supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm like,
Young and wild, free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, stuck hearing what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Watch it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Give me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the day, I'm with your bitch smoking grade
You know what? It's like I'm 17 again. Peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, tipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Sipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like a leaf with the weasel.
Shit, we got drugs.